until 10 a.m. Now, this is a wide area of a severe thunderstorm watch. This is not our only severe weather. Let's consider this round one, and we'll focus on that lightning strike and many others, as we've seen the course of this morning, where you have that flash flood warning still in Phelps County for some significant rain overnight, and also a wide area of a few thunderstorms. And I'll take the lightning off because it gets all messy here and it's easier to see. But we've got from Melville right across 255. There may be some small hail associated with this. I don't have any active severe thunderstorm warnings. Even in Millstadt, I would say north of Millstadt on Illinois 163, south of 15, you're probably seeing some pea-sized hail involved in this, where some of these darker shades are returning here near Belleville. Also, as we look off to the airport, that has moved out. And I really want to focus on what's going on the next several hours, because this line will move out, and by 10 or 11 o'clock, we'll start to see a few showers and storms to the north. Pike County, that's where we may see another line that we'll see how that holds together. That's the one that's coming from Kansas City, but it kind of stays to the north. And that's going to be dependent on what's going on the rest of the afternoon. I want to show you, I'll pause there by 1 o'clock and talk about round one. Now through about 10 a.m., we have damaging wind gusts, large hail possible. I just want you to stay aware as you're traveling this morning. That's round one. This is not the significant one we've been talking about, but the next few hours you're going to see scattered rain all the way through about mid-morning, and then we get a little bit of a break. And that break clears things out, we warm up, and then round two arrives. And that's where we're under that enhanced risk for severe weather, which includes us pretty much in the bullseye. And when you look at this here from the St. Louis area, this area, even in the darker shades, includes a 10% tornado risk for our area. While it doesn't sound like a lot, it's pretty significant, especially with the high-end potential for some stronger tornadoes greater than EF2. And when we look at why these storms are kind of moving to the north along this, by 10 or 11 o'clock, here's what I'll show you. We've got storm energy off to our southwest here. You'll see this wide area, and then we also have this back area as well. Now, storms are developing and moving in parallel along this, and you'll see that to the north. However, the main story is the fact that, yeah, our clouds and rain in the morning don't really muddy the waters in terms of development, because as we see throughout the afternoon, we're going to watch more storms develop just in time for the afternoon and evening. Those are the storms I'm the most concerned with as we look at the high-end potential for 60+ mile-an-hour wind gusts, tornadoes, and 1-inch hail, even some localized flooding and some other flooding as well. That's the main story here as we look ahead. Now, I do think we're going to clear things out after 10 o'clock. With 84 this afternoon, our weather impact alert continues with temperatures in the low 70s tomorrow. That front lingers to the south, and then we clear things out later today.